welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. I am so excited to have you. My name is Teresa and I am a chalk couture designer. In today's video, I will be working with our wash, brush, floss transfer on a wooden board. So it's 2 feet long and it's about 9 inches wide. And so what I will be doing, I will be making a towel rack holder, and we'll be using our Chalkology paste in the color Black Velvet. So I'll put that aside. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to make, put the transfer up top, and then I have, these are actually kitchen poles. And I don't know if you could see it in the video, but I did make 2 holes of where I'm going to drill that in. And then I'm going to just hang it like that. These are about just over 6 inches wide. We're gonna peel to reveal. Oh my god, it's so cute! I'm so excited to hang this in my washroom. And there you go. Wash, brush, floss, flush. Thank you. So if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And if you've enjoyed today's project, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And I'd love to know what your thoughts are in the comments. Make sure you hit the bell, because then you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday evenings at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So before we say goodbye, I'd like to share the inspirational quote for today's video. And that's, sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. And that's by Dr. Suess. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are all well and happy, and I wish you all a beautiful day.